kayo sa shake. Sa Freedom Shake.
Who wants some shake?
Say hi.
Yes.
Say hi. So, andito kami sa isang bahay namin. Ayan, bili na kayo. Shake. Uy!
And guys, there's also a shop.
It's a shop, right?
Yeah, and don't forget this song. What is the name about again?
Freedom
That
Shake.
one. Freedom Arts. We accept t-shirts. The name again.
25 pesos.
And what was the name of that?
Macaroni.
Macaroni.
It's yummy, right?
About macaroni.
Yummy. Say bye-bye now.
And don't forget
No,
the
say-
macaroni is spicy.
Yeah.
And I
Say
really
bye-bye,
love
say
spicy
bye-bye.
food.
25 pesos. And
25
shake,
pesos.
30 pesos.